Hey guys, welcome back to the Missing Wrenches Garage YouTube channel. So, we're waiting on parts for obvious reasons. So, since we can't work, why don't we do a shop upgrade? Alright guys, today we have partnered up with Hyperlite LED, and they were nice enough to send us their new series that they've got out. It is the Wall E Wall Pack LEDs. Let's see what all we got in here. Alright guys, here is the Wall E Wall Pack LEDs. It has a 90-degree adjustable head on it, and it's simple to wire up. It's only 3 wires to hook this baby up. And also on the side over here is a removable cap, and it also works as a dusk to dawn sensor, so it'll come on as it gets dark. And I'm pretty sure that these are motion sensor too. Comes with the wire nuts and the hardware to mount it with. Now what the book shows, these come in 3 different variations of power levels. The first one is 40 watt. It has 5,200 lumens. 60 watt, which is 7,800 lumens. And 100 watt, which is 13,000 lumens. These ought to be plenty bright. Alright guys, here's the inside. It is literally 3 wires, green, white, black. It's so easy, even I can do it. And I am in no way, shape, or form a carpenter or electrician or anything. You can ask my papa that. When I tried to build a paint booth one time, I picked it up, it fell over, and I just said phooey on it. So here's your backing plate. It comes with a little level on the inside. You're going to take this right here out, run your wires through it, hook everything up, and you're good to go. This is the Mustang for the guys that haven't seen it. We're going to use our Yoo-hoo meter to see how deep it was. I don't even know. Oh, there's one. We're about 1.5 deep. Eyeballs in here doing the wiring. You? He's kind of one of those jack of all is a master of none kind of people. I for one am not. Alright, so this is not required for these lights. We're doing it so we can cut the juice to the lights without interfering with anything else, just in case we have to service anything over here. But I went to Lowe's this morning and I got this switch box. I'm gonna put right here beside the door. It was only $5 for everything to do this switch box, so just having that option is well worth the $5 to me. So let's get that box hung up. Alrighty, let's get you mounted. Oh yeah. Pretty good for a guy that don't know carpentry, if I do say so myself. Alright, Pablo's going up there now to put that backing plate on. I would be doing it, but I way out exceed the weight limit of that ladder. Alright, he's got it leveled up right now. He's just drilling through the tin into the side of the building to get the screws started. Alright, we're hanging the face of it now. Oh my back. Black is hot, white is neutral, and green is ground. He's hooking the motion sensor light back in. I mean the dusk to dawn sensor. We're getting the screws put in that hold the backing plate to the face plate. And between the back plate and the face plate is a nice thick rubber gasket, and the screws are O-rings, so you won't have to worry about water leaking into there. It seems to be pretty watertight. Alright, so now what we're doing is we're just setting the angle that we want the light to flood out, so we can work over here on this side of the garage at night as well. It's I think it was 3/16 Allen heads or 5/16. I'll look here in a second. Alright guys, it's more of the same going on here on this side. How I was putting the backing plate up. We're getting the faceplate going on. Green is ground, white is neutral, black is hot. Same as the other side. Now he's just setting the angle, and that's done. Oh yeah, by the way, those were 3/16 on the Allen heads, by the way. Alright, here's you guys a little bit of a before shot. We only have the one light that we've had up there since that garage was built. Alright, hit it. Oh my God. It's almost like daylight out here. What do you think?
Well, it looks good. Laid it down for a long time.
Yeah. All right, guys, this has been the installation of the Hyperlite Wall E LED wall packs. We want to thank Hyperlite for sponsoring this video. It means a lot to us. We really do appreciate it. And until the next video, remember, keep them out of the crusher. Your dreams won't work unless you do. God bless y'all, and we love you.